Okay, so look at what the fuck just happened. This shit leaked out. Originally, I seen it the next day and I thought, okay, I chalked it up to maybe I didn't tighten it good enough. So then I made sure that I tightened it very good, and I even put a sticker. You can see the glue. I put the sticker around it just to make sure that it was tight. Set it back down and came back another day later and it was all over the place. It got all over, it emptied out. There's still a lot in there, but it's definitely leaked all over. And the worst part is that it dried the nib. The nib is dry now. Doesn't depress. Ruined the nib. Hard as a rock.
Got him! Got him!
So I'm gonna have to get a new nib for this. I probably won't even do another review on this unless I happen to get another one of these. But it leaked all over. Look at that. It's all inside. That's half of the marker is gone. Half of the ink got poured out, pretty much. Because all I did was, well, I did juice the hell out of it, so there's that, but no good. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna pour this shit back out. I did notice that the top was having trouble staying on. I didn't think that was going to have any trouble there, but you see this, that doesn't have to wiggle it, and then look at that. It's not airtight. See that it's moving? It's not clipping well. It didn't clip well. So let's turn it the other way. A little better. Nope, still comes open. Shouldn't come open at all. Should click tight. Shouldn't have no problems. Junk. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bob, your blade suffered a critical failure in the very first strike of the very first test.
Oops.
For that reason, I have to ask you to please leave the forge.
I have no regrets.